Welcome to the ATL, no time, no problem, Insta-pot lazy pot roast. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. Here are the ingredients that you will need. Pepperoncini peppers, additional seasonings of your choice, Angus beef chuck roast of your choice, your cut, just gravy packet, 1 stick of butter, and 1 pack of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. This is what you're going to need to have a Mississippi-style pot roast in a little over an hour. First thing you will do is rinse and pat dry your chuck roast. Now you're going to add all of your seasonings. Do not skip on adding the seasonings. Make sure you use the entire packet for both of the seasonings to get the flavor that you want. One thing I forgot to show you guys is the beef broth. Make sure that you add beef broth or you will burn your pot roast in this pressure cooker. I almost did that. Don't tell nobody. Now I'm going to add my stick of butter. I just cut it up. Everything is a dump in here. Everything that you saw the ingredients, you just dump it in there to your taste, to your liking. You add your additional seasonings here. It is up to you. I had used whatever I had in the cabinet and they paired well together. So make sure that if you have any additional seasonings, thyme is always good in pot roast. So make sure if you have some of that, add a few sprigs to that. Now, after I finish adding my additional seasonings, I'm going to add my pepperoncini peppers here. This is what adds a great tang flavor to your pot roast. And I took a little bit of that juice that the peppers are sitting in. I added that to my Insta-pot. Again, do not forget to add your beef broth after you add these peppers. Please do not forget this step. Forgive me, y'all, for not adding that step in the video. And you're finished. You've seasoned your pot roast. Now it's ready to cook. Now, this is the part that I was laughing at my own self. I did not know what to put when I was using this Insta-pot, y'all. I just knew I wanted it to pressure cook and I wanted it fast and I wanted it now. So I put it on stew. You see me playing with the time, 35 minutes, 40 minutes. I'm gonna tell you flat out, it was a little over an hour. I would say about an hour and 10 minutes it took to cook this pot roast. This pot roast weighed in not over 2 pounds. I would say it was at least 2 pounds. Put it on pressure cook, start it off, set it and forget it, get your kitchen clean. Now, I bust out laughing when I did this. I did not know that it was going to burn my hand. Make sure that you use that releasing pressure valve and let it sit for at least 2 minutes to release all that pressure. And here are the results. I was so pleased. That's the gravy that I was speaking about, with the gravy packet and all of the seasonings just mixed and paired so very well together. And you're going to see the tenderness that this Insta-pot does to the roast. Here I have a plastic spoon, and using this plastic spoon, it cut up so easily. It was so tender, you guys. The gravy was amazing. All the seasonings paired well. I was very pleased with the results. This will be my go-to recipe if I need a meal in under an hour. So if you have some rice, some mashed potatoes, some green beans, whatever, put those things on the stove real quick and boom, here's your meal in an hour and 10 minutes. Insta-pot lazy pot roast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.